Hello and welcome back. This video, we're going to talk about job analysis. In our previous video, we looked at being competitive within an environment, and we developed a process of looking at an industry as a whole and deducing the key elements that we needed in helping us develop a very successful career. We're going to look at that same process, but now make it more specific to us and what job or career that we would like to possess in the near future. For example, if I want to be a plant manager, then there are ways to be able to look at job descriptions to determine, do I already possess the skills necessary for that job, or should I be working on those skills and get them to a certain level before I'm adequately able to serve in that particular job field? Where do we find job descriptions? Well, there are a few areas, but for this video, let's talk about a job website or a job board. Here are a few that you might find helpful, such as monster.com, indeed.com, and simplyhired.com, just to name a few. So if I was to use myself as an example, I would go onto one of these job websites and I would type in the search field, plant manager. I probably will get more than quite a few of these job descriptions pop up. All I have to do is select one. You might want to select 2 or 3 only for comparison. I select one of these job descriptions for plant manager, and there's a few things that I would like to analyze within this job description. Number one, I want to look at the education. What education is needed or required for a person seeking this particular job? Number two, are there a number of prior positions that this job is saying that I should have possessed before obtaining this level of a career? Number three, and most importantly, I want to look at what hard skills and what soft skills is this employer saying are necessary for a person to have this job. So it begs the question, what are hard skills? Hard skills, as an example, can be those things such as typing, writing, mathematics. What are soft skills? Soft skills are what we are calling essential competencies. And for example, they can be things such as communication skills. And communication skills can be subdivided into 2 categories, oral versus written. Other competencies can include information management, analytical and problem-solving skills, learning effectively on your own, and working well with others, just to name a few. These competencies are going to be essential in being able to analyze myself to determine whether or not I already possess these skills adequately to be hired in this position. So let's recap. What have we learned? We've learned that the process of being able to look at a particular document and deduce the skills or competencies or components that are key are essential in helping me analyze not only the job, but also analyze myself in relation to this particular job that I would like to have. So it dovetails into where we're going next. What next is, what you're going to learn in the next video is how to look at this job description competencies and determine where I rank according to each competencies themselves.